Hi children and friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you the collective nouns related to things. In my earlier videos, I taught collective nouns related to people and animals. Here, we will continue the collective nouns related to things. Let's go into the video. Yes, here what you see, I think steps, stairs. So how can you say in collective noun? Yes, flight of stairs. You can say flight of stairs. When you see the stairs, the collective noun is flight. So flight of stairs. The next one is, here you see some leaves. What are the leaves? Yes, beetle leaves. How can you say in collective noun? A sheaf of beetle. A sheaf of beetle. That is the collective noun. The next one is, yes, what do you see here? Right, sand. I think this is sand. How can you say in collective noun? A heap of sand. Okay, when you see the sand, that is heap of sand. Now what is this? This is, I think, some sticks together. That is bind together. So how can you say in collective noun? Bundle of sticks. So there are a lot of sticks together. They are binded. So bundle of sticks. That is the collective noun is bundle. Yeah, milk. Here is a milk packet. How can you say it in collective noun? Yeah, carton of milk. Carton of milk. Well, we'll go to the next one. Yeah, what a delicious chocolate. So how can you say this? Yeah, there is a piece, a bar of chocolate. So this is bar of chocolate. When you say, you can say the bar of chocolate. Yes, there is some rice in a bowl. So how can you say bowl of rice? Bowl of rice. Next one. Yes, some drawers are here. So how can you say that? A chest of drawers. Chest of drawers. Okay, the collective noun is chest. Next, stars, they are twinkling. Night stars, they are twinkling. How can you say it? Galaxy of stars. So, when you see the stars together, you can say galaxy of stars. That is the collective noun. The next one. Right. So, till now, one by one, we learned about the collective noun of things. Now, generally we are going to learn the collective nouns. First, group, a very general term used to describe people, places, things or animals. So here you can see two collective nouns given. The first one is group of dancers, a group of dancers, and a group of till now we learned the collective nouns related to animals, people and things. Here generally we are going to learn the collective nouns. So here first we are going to learn group, the collective noun of group. A very general term used to describe people, places, things or animals. So first you can see a group of island. That is the general term is used here. A group of island. Right. So the islands together, many islands together, we can say group of island. Likewise, a group of dancers. The dancers, when the dancers together, we can say a group of dancers. So this is the collective noun. The next one is, yes, a group of kids. So many children together, you can say a group of kids. That is the collective noun. The next one, army. A large number of people, animals, or an organized military force. So when they are together, we'll say army. First one, an army of photographers. Yeah, here you can see many photographers together. So an army of photographers. Likewise, an army of men. So many men together. So we say in collective noun, an army of men. Let's go to the next one. Yes, here an army of ants. When you see a lot of ants together, we'll say an army of ants. Here you can see the picture. Next, collective nouns of animals. So here also, earlier also we learned, but here general collective noun is given. Collective nouns of animals, first is herd. So here you can see a herd of cattle. Right, you can see cattle, you know, there are so many animals in cattle. So the collective nouns here, the cows given, a herd of cattle. So there are goat, right, that is also one of the cattle, right, and sheep. So we'll say under this cattle. So herd of cattle, that is the collective noun. The next one, herd of deer. So many deers are here. So a herd of deer, that is the collective noun. Next, a herd of elephant. So the elephants are together. The collective nouns, a herd of elephant. Next, right now we are in collective nouns of things. Okay, here also once again we are learning the things. So first, bunch. A number of things growing or fastened together. When you see any things growing together or fastened together, we'll say it bunch. That is the collective noun. So the first one is a bunch of flowers. Right. You can see beautiful, colorful flowers are together. So we'll say a bunch of flowers. They are fastened together. Next, a bunch of grapes. Okay, this is not fastened. This is grown. Okay. So a bunch of grapes. Next. Next one, a bunch of bananas and bunch of keys. Okay, here you can see a bunch of bananas. Right. The bananas in a bunch. So a bunch of bananas, that is the collective noun. Another bunch of keys. So they are fastened together. So bunch of keys. Let's go to the next. Here you can see pile. Heap of things laid or lying on one on top of another. So pile means heap of things laid or lying one on top of another. So that is pile. So what are the things? A pile of clothes. First we'll see a pile of clothes. Right, here you can see the clothes are one on top of another. Right, they are lying one on top of another. So next, a pile of papers. This is also in pile. So they are also laying one on top of another. Right. Let's move to the next. A pile of books. The another pile, a pile of books. That is the collective noun. Now we can see plural forms of collective nouns. Earlier we learned the singular forms of collective noun. Here we can see the plural forms of collective noun. So here we can see the plural of the collective noun. First one, you can see 6 glasses of water. Glasses. So that is plural. 6 glasses of water. So you can clearly see the picture. 6 glasses are there. So 6 glasses of water. The second one, 4 bottles of soda. Bottles, collective, plural, collective noun. 4 bottles of soda. Let me see the picture. 4 bottles. You can see the Coca-Cola. 4 bottles of soda. Next one. Here you can see 5 pieces of pizza. So normally we eat pizza. So there are pieces. So 5 pieces of pizza. Pieces. Plural collective noun. So the pizza is divided into 5. So 5 pieces. Next one. 2 tubes of toothpaste. Tubes. Plural. So 2 tubes of toothpaste. So here 2 tubes you can see the toothpaste. So 2 tubes of toothpaste. Okay friends, now I think you clearly learned the collective nouns. So now we'll do some activities. Right? Let's go. Here you can see singular, plural, 2 columns given. In the first column, singular, collective noun given. A kilo of sugar, a bar of soap, a box of matches, a packet of toffee, a tin of biscuit. Now we want to find the plural. Right, now we'll see the plural forms. A kilo of sugar. What is the plural form? Yes, 2 kilos of sugar. So here you are writing kilos, plural of collective noun. Next, a bar of soap. What is the collective noun in plural? 3 bars of soap. So you are saying bars. Right, next one. A box of matches. So here you can see 5 boxes of matches. So you are adding es with box. So boxes. Next one. A packet of toffee. So how can you write in plural? Yes, 6 packets of toffee. So 6 packets of toffee. Packets. Number you can change. Next one. A tin of biscuit. Yes, 4 tins of biscuit. So 4 tins of biscuit. Okay friends, let's we go to the next slide. Okay, here we are going to learn some more collective nouns of people, animals and things. Okay, let's say the first one. Right, here you can see the collective nouns of people. So here you can see a lot of collective nouns given. A band of musicians. So musicians will say a band of musicians. Next one, a choir of singers, choir, a choir of singers. A board of directors, board, so board of directors, this is the collective noun. An army of soldiers, so army of soldiers. A staff of servants, a staff of servants. A team of players, so team of players. Next one, a group of singers. For the singers, we'll say group, a group of singers. Now we'll see the animals. Yes, first one, a flight of birds. Flight, for the birds, the collective noun is flight of birds. Next one, a litter of puppies, litter. Next one, a pack of wolves. For the wolves, we'll say pack, a pack of wolves. Next one, a school of fish. School is the collective noun. So school of fish. Next, a swarm of bees, swarm. Next one, a pride of lions, pride of lions. Next, a troop of monkeys. For the monkeys, we'll say a troop. Now let's go to the things. A bundle of sticks. For the sticks, we'll say a bundle. Next, a carton of milk. Carton of milk. A bowl of rice. A galaxy of stars. A bar of soap. A library of books. A tube of toothpaste. So these are the collective nouns for people, animals and things. Okay friends, if you like this video, subscribe, like and share.